Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, I need to select close in the pop-up to disable location. When I do that and go back, as you can see, location is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll all the way down and click on location section. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to use location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!